Diamond Head up ahead. We are walking through the Royal Hawaiian Hotel, dubbed as the Pink Palace of the Pacific. It's a 1920s Spanish Moorish style, right on Waikiki Beach, on the same spot that was once the home to Queen Kahamanu Summer Palace. Walking through Surfboard Alley, you will end up at Waikiki Beach. Waikiki. Walking through some shops, looking at some beautiful art by Hawaiian artists. We stopped for dinner at one of Duke's restaurants in Waikiki. It's named after the legend Duke Kahanamoku, the surfing icon. For dessert, I ordered the mono pie, which is made with passion fruit, toasted coconut, macadamia nuts, and strawberries and honey. It's delicious. We stopped here for the first time for some dessert, and I had the Heavenly Lilikoi, my absolute favorite shaved ice dessert. I love tropical flavors, and we came back again for some more. The boba just bursts in your mouth. Last day in Hawaii. Aloha, honey. Another one. Every 3 minutes there's a plane. Here we are, packing for the night. It's time to go. Rob's deflating the, what's that called?
Thing.
The thing for the ocean that we sat on. That was a lot of fun. Oh, goodbye, Waikiki. Goodbye, beautiful beaches. Oh, it is so beautiful here. So pretty. Can you hear the ocean? There's the white caps. And you can see the lights flashing on some of the boats out. Good night, aloha. Our last night in Hawaii. This is the lobby of the hotel we're staying in. It's open air lobby. Beautiful out here, and the air is scented with plumeria, or not sure. It smells wonderful. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Heading towards the beach. There's another restaurant. We're at the beach. Beautiful. windy today. Here's our hotel room. Our hotel. I'm here to collect some sand to take with me. Be sure to check out all our other videos of our trip in Oahu, Hawaii. Thank you for watching.